I'm John Kowal. I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Peapack-Gladstone Bank. We're leaders in wealth, lending, and deposit solutions, and we're known for our unparalleled client service, integrity, and trust. Our core values are important to us, and you'll see them throughout the bank. We're focused on putting our clients first. We operate with the utmost professionalism. We invest in our communities. We function as one team, one bank. And importantly, we compete to win your business. We can't appear disparate to our clients. We need to offer one digital front door to them, one app where they can see all their services with us. It's what we need to do to provide white glove service, and it's frankly what our clients should expect from us. And given the large sets of data we have as a bank that offers multiple services to our clients, we know that we could not embark on this without working with a team of significantly qualified engineers who would bring that best of breed technology to the project, start us off with the best practices, move us in the right direction from the beginning.
So what makes us different at CG Infinity in our financial services practice is that we came out of banking. We were executives building financial organizations, and that lent us with a great deal of experience over that period of time. What we then were able to do at CG Infinity is apply that experience to our clients. We want to help our clients access all the services we can provide to help them in a very transparent way. Much like Peapack-Gladstone Bank has multiple services they offer to customers, but they want to have one way for the customers to consume those products and services. We think those parallels really help us understand each other and create this great foundation for our relationship to grow over time.
CG Infinity really understands our corporate values, and they're versatile enough to join us along our strategic journey. There are many elements of our strategic plan for the next 5 years that include data, apps, and integrations. And CG Infinity is really able to handle it all.
You know, having been a CIO at a bank and hiring consultants, I know how difficult it is. That's why we built CG Infinity differently. And what we provide our bank clients is references on along the way as you're growing in that asset size. What are the different challenges? How does the organization need to change? What are the new risks that you face? That experience is what we bring to our clients.
When you develop a data warehouse, when you launch a CRM, when you build a new client-facing app, there are thousands of roads you could go down, there are thousands of ways you could start, but many of them are going to be wrong. CG Infinity gets us off on the right foot and provides proven results. Jack Henry's Banno platform is our online banking solution, but we wanted to expand it. We needed a developer who could code an API integration securely. We needed a developer who could work with Jack Henry to build the add-ons, which were new at the time. CG Infinity led the discussion with Jack Henry. We didn't need to be the middleman.
When we talked to the bank about their strategy around using Banno to be that digital doorway, one of the key components was leveraging integrations and Banno cards in the infrastructure. Peapack-Gladstone was forward-thinking and ahead of the pack in using Banno cards in their implementation. At the time, there weren't really any consultants that were able to build Banno cards with banks, and banks were left to do it on their own. When we engaged with Peapack-Gladstone Bank, they saw our capabilities in building Banno integrations and asked us to help with some of the wealth component. When we engage with a client, we always begin from the business objective first. So Peapack-Gladstone Bank was no different, and we had conversations about what we're trying to accomplish. The leadership within Peapack already had a great idea of what they want to do with the Banno platform. What we did is help add in the details around that and help design out a safe and secure way to accomplish the business goals that they had.
CG Infinity knows banking and they know the technology. So we can build our business requirements based on what we want from a business standpoint and from our client standpoint. And then CG Infinity builds the technical design.
When we partner with a client at CG Infinity, we begin from establishing a relationship. If there's not trust in an established relationship with the client, it's very difficult to overcome challenges as they arise, and they will arise in any project. We can speak candidly to each other, we can work on the problem together and overcome those challenges. The Banno project provides tremendous benefits to the bank, specifically allows the bank to execute their strategy of growth while providing white glove treatment to their customers.
Times have changed and mobile technology adoption is really at an all-time high. We've been getting compliments that our app is easier to use than even some of our large bank competitors. It's secure, modern, easy to use, and constantly evolving. You can even initiate an online chat with one of our bankers to get help immediately from within the app. Aggregating data is not just for client-facing apps. It helps us use data responsibly. In turn, we can protect our clients, we can protect their data, and we can meet our regulatory responsibilities. Knowing CG Infinity's capabilities opens many doors for us. Projects we thought were impossible for a company our size are now possible and done correctly. We don't have to spend half a year looking for the right niche vendor for each project we want to execute on. CG Infinity's been with us through our strategy, and they'll be with us in the future.